Hey guys, Joe Runington here from Thinkaholics. We're here at French Touch Dreaming in Paris, France. I'm here with Pierre Leroux, the CEO of Lemon Learning. So, Peter, what can you tell everybody about what you guys do?
Okay, basically we guide users through Salesforce and other applications accessible through a web browser. So we guide them step by step inside the application, enabling them to master every process they must master. And we can also make some pop-up message to help them discover new application and new release. And yeah, go on.
So, all right. So, just making sure I'm following. Lemon Learning, right? It's about providing materials for people to learn what kind of processes, sales processes, your business, your product.
Actually, the processes are personalized to each customers, so it's really their business process. Of course, we have a lot of salespeople to train across different countries. The real difference of our products compared to other kind of learning materials is that we are inside the application, so people learn by doing inside the application, and we guide them so they learn by doing.
Yeah. And how do you know someone's completed it? Do you guys have ways to tell who's done what learning and what hasn't?
Actually, one of the main difference of our products compared to others is that we are really focused on big companies and how we can track user progresses, if user did the training or not, how we can recontact them if they didn't, how we can personalize the content. It depends on the entity they are, on the kind of users, if they are managers, salespeople, and of course their languages.
And can managers kind of see, or like upper management see what people have done?
And actually, that's really important because usually in a learning management system, what you have is the whole company. But if you really want the change to happen, you have you have the manager to know if their salespeople are managing the training, if they did it or not, and this kind of thing.
Yeah. So definitely understand, like, teaching someone about your product or service or widget, right? What about compliancy and type of stuff? Do you guys do anything around compliancy?
Actually, we do. Actually, one of the main thing we do is that we inform them on the good process to follow, and especially across cross software training, because usually in one process you go through several softwares, and you have legacy systems. Actually, it's never perfect inside the company and for the customers. So you have to design the process, and it evolves during the time and with the release.
Okay. And once someone goes through the certificate or the training, manager gets notified, can you go back and look at what courses you've passed and things like that as a user?
Actually, it evolves more into a help with the time. At first, what we want to do is to make sure that each person master the 10 functionalities he has to, and after that we see ourselves more as an help. So if he has a question inside the software, it's contextualized, and they have the good answers to their questions, and we push notifications, and we try to have more usage on the application.
So by contextualized, you mean like, does the training work like if you're on an opportunity and it teaches you things there? Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. What objects do you guys tie to? Opportunities, accounts, contacts? Like, what other features?
You mean the next features we are going to add?
Well, no. I mean, definitely want to know that. But from a
for customers.
Makes
And
sense.
usually in our training, we say, hey, this Bob inside the company does that, and we personalize it more.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, so you mentioned new features. What are you guys working on that you can talk about?
Yeah, that I can talk about. We are analyzing how people use the application. We are tracking how we can improve usage. Actually, it's all about adoption for me. Yeah, this is where we are going.
Okay, all right. Well, Peter, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.